Good morning, galaxy, from the beautiful mountain slopes of Alderaan. This is Cal Coco here, and this is my first time doing any voice overlay with the video. And I've done some screen captures before, mostly for my guild, for different things. But I wanted to try talking through this a bit more. Got a GAC battle versus Chill 1982, and news has been spreading around of this counter to this very strong CLS C3PO Chewpio defense team. A couple months ago, well, at the last 3v3, I recorded Jedi Training Rey, R2 and BB-8 fighting this after discussing it on the Gambit Alliance of Creators with Solo. He gave me some guidance there, and I know End All Be All covered it in a video in his stream a few days ago. So I wanted to do it again here because Chill's CLS is terrifying. He 309 speed, 9,253 offense. And I know when I looked at his profile before the match, his CLS was even faster with even more offense. And then the Chewpio as well, 11,000 offense. So I'm going to use Jedi Training Rey. This will be a real test of the counter. Because I think if CLS team lands more than a couple hits, I'll be in big trouble. But let's try it. What's so great about this team, you have two sources of daze, you have tenacity down, all this Terminator gain, and so much cleansing that you can handle all the debuffs. Hopefully, at least. Plus the turn meter at the start, usually first go, perfect. Stealth everyone but one hit. Whiff. Oh, that should be good. Yeah. Alright. This looks like this is going very well. I think that's no, didn't work. We can daze him now. Stealth, I think this goes to show the strength of this content. Could finish this with 54 banners. And all the Zetas coming in handy here. And look at that. Go-to counter for CLS right there. Alright, I think I'm going to record the others in a separate video. Signing off for now.